Hey lovely people, so today I'm back with another video, and this one is perfect for Diwali evening or any Indian festival for that matter. This look is glamorous, full coverage foundation, sparkly eyes and everything good. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Now starting off with a bare face, I have already done my eyebrows with the help of Sugar Arc Rival eyebrow pencil, and then I'm using the Flower Beauty concealer to prime my eyelids, and I will be cleaning up my eyebrows too with help of this and a flat concealer brush, as you can see. And then with the help of a concealer brush, I will be blending that out. Now using this Nicka K Poison Apple eyeshadow palette and picking up that red shade from the palette, I will be packing that onto my eyelids with the help of a pencil brush. You can even use a shader brush. Now guys, you really need to try out this palette. I think right now Nykaa is offering this at a sale price of 300 rupees, and this is total steal. You need to try this. Now taking the pink eyeshadow from the same palette, I will be blending that red eyeshadow out. I will be specifically blending out the edges, as you can see. Blend and blend. I think when you are playing with colorful eyeshadows or dark eyeshadows, the best you can do is build and blend. As you can see, I'm building up the red because I felt like I lost intensity, and this is a good thing to do because then you are not left with a stark eyeshadow which you cannot blend. Build and blend. I built that eyeshadow, then again I took the pink eyeshadow and I'm blending that red shadow out. Now I will be taking a Makeup Revolution palette in the variant Velvet Rose and picking up that cream shade from the palette, and I will be blending everything out so it doesn't look very pink or very red, very on your face. And taking a darker shade from the Nicka K palette, I will be putting that darker shade in the outer corners to build up depth or to create depth. I will try to create a V shape or a pulled out look because personally I feel in my face that looks very good, very flattering. Then I will take the red shade from the Nicka K palette and I will be blending that darker eyeshadow out. Again trying to pull the eyeshadow outwards, as you can see. Now I will be taking my Revolution palette in the variant Red Alert and picking up the darker shade. I will again put that in the outer corners to create depth. As you can see, pulling that out and again blending that out with the help of a clean blending brush. As I told you, this look is all about building and blending. Take your time to take your time to blend out your eyeshadow. Then again taking that Velvet Rose palette, I will take that orange shade, rusty orange shade, and try to blend out that darker shade. And what this will do is create more warmth. And then taking that shimmery champagne shade from the Nicka K palette, I will be putting that in the inner corners, like in the inner 1/3 of my eyes. Guys, this shimmer took my heart away. Like, look at the shine, this is beautiful. And can you believe this is only for 300 rupees and the full price is only 500 rupees. And then taking that red shade again from the Nicka K palette, I will be putting that between the champagne shade and the darker shade, so there is a full like nice gradient. Then for shimmer or a very shimmery eyeshadow, I will be taking this eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Flawless Allure palette, I guess, and putting that over the champagne shade. cleaning my eyeshadow. Cleaning just gives the beautiful like clean edge to that eyeshadow look. And then taking the Maybelline gel eyeliner, I will be lining my eyes, as you can see, or I will be simply putting on an eyeliner. I felt like if I smudged the eyeliner that would look better, so after I'm done on putting that eyeliner on, I will be blending that out with the help of a black eyeshadow from the Velvet Rose palette. Just smoke out the liner. It will look so good, I can't even explain you. Then on the edges, I will be taking the darker shades from the Red Alert palette, and I will kind of smoking that eyeliner also and putting the eyeshadow in the outer corner also, as you can see, like creating a V shape at the outer corners, and then blending that out with the help of a blending brush. This is clean, I have no eyeshadow on it. Now moving on to my face, I will be taking Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in the shade 02, I guess, dotting that all over my face like so. And at this moment I felt I should pull you guys a little closer. So in the next clip you will be seeing me a little closer. Yep, so we are close now. Blending this foundation out. What I like to do is blend out the foundation with the help of a foundation brush, and this one is $3.75 I guess from the pack, and guys, it's very inexpensive and you need to try this out. This is like very good foundation brush, soft, and it blends out the foundation so beautifully. As you can see, I'm just blending out my foundation, and I take very little foundation because I know I'm going to layer it with concealer and all the stuff and powders and all the good things. So yeah, after blending everything out with the help of a foundation brush, I will be taking sponge and I will pick up the extra product and I'll build up the coverage on any areas I need like coverage, like on the spot you just saw. Now taking the concealer, this is Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. I will be concealing my under eye areas. I use very little concealer, and on the spot, like on any problematic areas and under my eyes. I'm blending that out with the help of a sponge. I think I'm in the shade Golden Beige in the concealer, Born This Way concealer. I will be blending the concealer and also cleaning up the edges of the eyeshadow, as you can see. I like that sharp edge in my eyeshadow looks. I think that looks good on me. And I will be taking the concealer brush and I will be blending the concealer over. I will be blending the concealer over my spot with the help of this. Yeah, that makes sense. And finally, with the help of a blender, I will be blending everything out, giving everything a final blend. Yep, I'm happy now. Taking this powder from K Beauty. Guys, you need to try this powder. This powder is like so beautiful. I can't even explain. I think I'm the shade 02 Banana or something like that. Yeah, you need to try. Now I'm taking this PAC Kajal Kohl Pencil. This is also very good. I love this product. Like black and smudges out so beautifully, stays on my waterline like perfect eye pencil. And taking that darker eyeshadow from the Red Alert palette and blending that kajal out. Blending out the outer corners and merging that with the upper lid. This is better seen in the footage. Now taking this cream blush from Flower Beauty. This range is I think called Blush Bomb, and I think this is in the shade Cinnamon. Guys, I love the shade, and this formula is like, oh my god, this does not budge. This stays glowy, but in a very good manner. I don't feel oily, but I feel glowy. Yeah, that is how good this blush is. This is expensive but good. Now blushing up the cheeks and a little on nose, and I'm done. Now taking the same powder, I will be powdering my nose and like the nostril if I make any sense to you. Now I'm taking this K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Frosted Eyes. Guys, K-Beauty highlighter, they are like awesome. They have multiple shade, a little expensive, but I think Nykaa is having them on a discount. You really need to try this. You can build up this highlighter, or you can tone it down. You can use it like in various ways. I really love this thing. This is the K-Beauty mascara. I'm just usually applying mascara on my lashes. This is like okay product, like okay, I can do without this, but the powder and the highlighter are like bomb.com. You really need to try them. Now taking this contour palette from Wet n Wild, very inexpensive but still very good, and I will be contouring my face. I generally, like nowadays I don't contour, but this look called for a contoured and a, like, you know, that sharp featured kind of a look. So yeah, just contouring my cheeks, under my jawline also, because I have a very round face. I need to contour my jaws. And my 5 head, because it's not a 4 head, it's 5 head. Like, yeah, you got the pun there. Now taking this Makeup Revolution bronzer, I will be applying bronzer to the usual bronzing places, like between the highlighter, the blush, then there is bronzer, and then there is contour. Yeah, I think that is how it goes. At least that is how I do it. I like doing it in that way. I'm just rambling today, I don't know why. I'm in a good mood, I think. Now I will be contouring my nose, my pagoda nose, with the help of that contouring palette from Wet n Wild. I think it's in the shade Dulce Delice. I think that is how it is pronounced. I will be, like in a usual way, I will be contouring my nose, my pagoda nose, and blending that contour out with the help of a powder brush. Once I'm happy with the blend, I will be highlighting the bridge of my nose with the help of a very teeny tiny brush and the same highlighter, the K-Beauty highlighter, as you can clearly see in this footage. I will be highlighting my inner corners too. And I think that's it. And yeah, I'm not done. I will be highlighting my face also, like the highest point of my cheeks. Like, look at that glow of the highlighter. Oh my god, this is like the intensity of the highlighter, but you can always tone it down if you will pick a very little amount. And whatever is left on the brush, I will be putting that on my forehead, like above my eyebrows and on my chin. And I will be taking this Color Bar blush and I will be blushing up the cheeks. I apply blush after the highlighter because I think that merges the highlighter with the blush and makes it look like they are one and not separate. When I apply highlight after my blush, it appears to be very separate things. Now applying lipstick. This one is from MAC Powder Kiss range and in the shade Devoted to Chili. Now guys, if you want a red which is not stark like on your face, you need to try out this shade, and particularly this range is like awesome. You just go to the outlet and try out the shade, because some of the shades can be patchy, a little like thoda pastel, but yeah, apart from this range with a few colors, this range is actually bomb. Now pulling out that headband from my hair, putting on a bindi, then the earrings, and here comes my dupatta and the final look. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And with that, I'll see you next time. Bye.